Sitting up tall, or lengthening the back of our neck, keeping our chin parallel to the ground, keeping our eyes still closed. Relax your eyelids, relax your shoulders. I'm gonna sit here for a little quiet time, feeling our sitting bones firmly down into the ground, onto the block that you're sitting on. Lengthening our spine, letting our thoughts go like clouds in the sky. Do not entertain our thoughts. Just keep our awareness to our breath, being aware of our inhale, being aware of our exhale. Staying here for a little while. I'm gonna guide you through a journey of visualization to settle our mind. Imagine your spine is like a tall tree. Your spine is like the trunk of the tree. From the bottom of your spine at your tailbone, just imagine you have roots, like a big tall tree. You have roots growing down into Mother Earth. Roll your roots deep down into Mother Earth. Spread your roots deeply into Mother Earth. And allow any tension, any injuries, any past situation in your body, or any stuckness in your body to be discharged into Mother Earth. From your spine, let whatever it may be travel down your roots down into Mother Earth. From our fingertips, through our arms, let whatever that should go, let it travel through our arms, down our spine, down our roots, into Mother Earth. From our toes, discharge any stuckness, any conditioning, any past injuries. Let it travel through our legs, down our roots, into Mother Earth. And allow Mother Earth to nourish us. Imagine Mother Earth sending us nutrients up from our roots to our legs and toes, nourishing everything in our legs. Let it go up our spine, nourishing everything in our body. Let it travel through. Let the nutrients travel through our arms to our fingertips, nourishing everything along the way. Let the nutrients travel up our spine, up our neck, to the top of our head, nourishing every part of our body. And imagine we are like a tree. We have branches going up from the top of our head. Spread our branches all the way to the top of our head into Father Sky. And allow the nutrients from Mother Earth to travel through our roots, spine, and our branches up to Father Sky. And allow Father Sky to send us good energy down our branches to the top of our head, down our face, down our neck, to our arms and fingertips. Let that energy from Father Sky go down our spine to our legs and toes, nourishing every part in our body. And let it go down our roots all the way back to Mother Earth, grounding ourselves, staying here for a little while more. Feeling the connection with Mother Nature,